of Middle Eastern. The art of Middle Eastern kebabs: beef, fish, and chicken. Kebabs are one of the oldest and most beloved culinary treasures of the Middle East. A cuisine shaped by ancient trade routes, nomadic traditions, and the shared joy of open-fire cooking. From the bustling streets of Istanbul to the coastal grills of Beirut and the garden courtyards of Tehran, kebabs embody a harmony of flavor, smoke, and hospitality. Each region has its interpretation, but all share a love for well-seasoned meat grilled to perfection and served with flatbread, rice, and fresh herbs. Beef kebab, the hearty flame of tradition. Beef kebabs are a symbol of strength and comfort in Middle Eastern cuisine. Depending on the region, they are known as kebab kubide in Iran, shish kebab in Turkey, and kebab lamb across the Levant.
We're caught up in the rush, life on the go, screens flashing fast, we're missing the flow. City buzzing, drowning in the sound, lost in the shuffle, gotta turn it.
Preparation and marinade. For the classic kubide, finely ground beef, often with about 20% fat, is kneaded with grated onion, salt, pepper, and sometimes turmeric or sumac. The mixture must be thoroughly worked by hand to create a firm texture that clings to flat metal skewers. In Turkish or Arab versions, cubes of marinated beef sirloin or tenderloin are used instead. These are soaked for hours in a mixture of olive oil, yogurt, garlic, lemon juice, paprika, and black pepper. Grilling technique. Beef kebabs are grilled over glowing charcoal. The heat must be moderate, allowing the meat to sear without burning. The aroma of sizzling fat dripping onto coals is as iconic as the flavor itself. Skilled grill masters rotate the skewers continuously, ensuring even cooking and a lightly charred crust. Serving style that traditionally served with saffron rice, grilled tomatoes, onions, and fresh herbs such as parsley and mint. A dusting of sumac and a wedge of lemon are added for brightness. In street markets, beef kebabs are often wrapped in lavash or pita bread, offering an earthy, handheld meal that connects generations. 2. Fish kebab, the coastal jewel of the Middle East. While beef and lamb dominate inland regions, fish kebabs reign supreme along the Mediterranean and Persian Gulf coasts, especially in Lebanon, Egypt, Iran, and Oman. They are the pride of fishermen and coastal families, combining the sea's freshness with the region's timeless grilling techniques.
That's where love and peace reside. So let's return to the essence pure.
Choice of fish and marinade. Firm white fish such as sea bass, grouper, red snapper, or swordfish are preferred for skewering. The fish is cut into medium cubes and marinated in olive oil, garlic, lemon juice, coriander, cumin, and a touch of chili or saffron. In Persian style, a bit of fenugreek and turmeric are added to give color and aroma.
We're caught up in the rush, life on the go, screens flashing fast, we're missing the flow. City buzzing, drowning in the sound, lost in the shuffle, gotta turn it around. Money, fame, we chase these dreams, but the simple life's the one that redeems. Nature's the remedy.
Lebanese cooks often enhance the marinade with pomegranate molasses, giving a tangy caramelized glaze. Cooking in flavor, fish kebabs are grilled quickly to preserve tenderness. The secret lies in basting, brushing with butter, olive oil, or lemon sauce as the fish cooks.
Finding solace in the natural kind. Forests whisper, rivers sing. In the heart of nature we find everything.
The aroma blends the sweetness of the sea with smoky charcoal essence.
No longer afraid, reconnect to the roots. That's the goal. In the arms of nature we heal the soul. At the end of the road, what we seek is a simple life.
Serving style. They are commonly served with tabbouleh, fattoush, or grilled vegetables, along with tahini or garlic yogurt sauce.
Out the jungle, no concrete rumble, just trees saying prayers. Feeling humble, earth's mumble underfoot. Wild layers, citrus strings sing outside. Baseline dumping deep in this simple life. No strife, we cultivate and leap. Basement voices deep as roots, female vocals touching skies. Guitar riffs like river drifts, fresh nature supply. Running through orchards, green pastures, no more city blight. Electronic synths fused with nature, everything feels right. Breathe in the soil, exhale the wrangle. Wrapped in nature's blanket, life untangles. Close to the earth, simplicity found. Lost in the woods, hear the pure sound. The neon, no car horns, just rain on leaves. Brush strokes of morning dew as dawn weaves. Meditation beats, heart sinks with every cricket chirp. Homemade delight, simple food, blood orange squirt. Climb the vines of melon.
In coastal Iran, fish kebabs are paired with herbed rice, sabzi polo, and pickled vegetables, while in the Levant, they appear on seaside tables beside fresh bread, olives, and mint tea.
The wrangle, wrapped in nature's blanket, life untangles. Close to the earth, simplicity found. Lost in the woods, hear the purest sound. Breathe in the soil, exhale the wrangle. Wrapped in nature's blanket, life untangles. Close to the
Chicken
earth,
kebab,
simplicity found.
the golden
Lost in
heart
the
of
woods,
everyday
hear the
feasts.
purest sound.
Chicken kebabs are the universal favorite. Light, juicy, and rich in Mediterranean spices. Known as shish tawuk in Arabic. Kebab in Persian and tavuk shish in Turkish. This dish represents the Middle East's adaptability, equally fit for family dinners or grand celebrations. Marination magic, tender chicken breast or thigh pieces are soaked in a creamy blend of yogurt, lemon juice, olive oil, garlic, paprika, cumin, and saffron. The yogurt tenderizes the meat while the spices create a layered flavor profile. Tangy, smoky, and subtly sweet. In Iran, a hint of saffron and onion juice gives jujay kebab its signature golden hue. Grilling and presentation. The marinated chicken pieces are threaded onto metal skewers, sometimes alternating with bell peppers, onions, or tomatoes. The grill's flame should kiss but not scorch the meat, producing a lightly charred surface and a juicy center. When done right, the kebabs glisten with saffron butter and release a mouth-watering aroma that fills the air. Chicken kebabs are usually served with rice, grilled vegetables, and sometimes flatbread. In Lebanon, they're wrapped in pita with pickles and garlic sauce, toum. While in Iran, they're placed elegantly beside basmati rice scented with saffron and barberries. The combination of vibrant colors, textures, and fragrances makes this dish both beautiful and satisfying. Cultural meaning and shared heritage. Across the Middle East, kebabs are more than food. They represent community, celebration, and the art of sharing. Families gather around open fires, passing skewers and stories.